There is another very cool option to embed another website or another website content in your website, which is done by the tag named iframe. So iframe tag specifies an inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. So let's write an iframe tag here. So let's write it as iframe. Okay. So now the iframe tag will have a source. I will give it a source of an YouTube video, src. Let's paste the embedded link of a video, and I will also give it a title. So this is a video of a nature, so nature video. Okay, so now let's see in our website like how this iframe looks like. Okay, yes, see, this is the video of the YouTube, and this is running perfectly. We can also add like width for this video and various type of styles and tags. For now we will add width like 400. Let's see if it changed. Yes, it changed. It got width of 400. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the iframe tag of an HTML page. In this section, we are going to understand about the class and ID attributes in HTML. These two attributes are essential for styling and scripting your web pages. By the end of this video, you will know when and how to use them effectively. So let's start with class attributes. So the class attribute is used to group multiple elements together. This makes it easier to style and manipulate them with CSS and JavaScript. So let's see an example of the class attribute. Let's write a div. I will give them a class of container, and under this div we will have an h1 tag. Let's give him a class of title. Now let's see, welcome to my web page. Now under this one we can give a paragraph tag. This is paragraph 1, and we are going to have another paragraph. Okay, now let's give these two paragraphs same classes. What should I name them? Just name them text. Okay, so this is basically how we write class attributes. Now let's add a style tag. We'll add a style tag here. Now let's write some styles for these classes that we have defined. I'm going to write a class for this text class. Okay, so we are going to go up in the head of the HTML. Now we are gonna write the style tag. This type of CSS is called internal CSS. We are gonna look through more into CSS when we will have a tutorial on the CSS and JavaScript. So yeah, after the style tag we are going to define this class that we have named text. So how to define a class? We'll start with a dot, then the class name, which is text here, and we are going to have the curly braces and define the classes. Now let's give some classes to identify them. I'm going to give a font color. Just for now I'm gonna give it white, and I am also going to give it a background color. just give it black. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, see, these are the paragraph tags that we have written. This one is the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Both have the same styles, background black and the font color is white. So that's how we can write one class and apply it to multiple elements in the HTML, and we can also manipulate them with JavaScript as well. So we will look deeper and learn more things about these classes and IDs later in the future. Now let's talk about the ID.